is Dr. Nikki Cottis, and I'm here today to explain to you what is a chiropractic adjustment and why is it so important. An adjustment is a small, painless movement that we as chiropractors use our hands to perform. The goal of the adjustment is to restore the nervous system. Your nervous system is your master control center of your entire body. If your spine is out of alignment, then your nervous system is not communicating with your body like it's supposed to. The goal of the adjustment is to fix this communication so that your brain can talk to your body so the body can learn how to heal itself.